Well, Karen and I, we've raised 2 boys. I guess we're considered empty nesters at this point. Last year we did Grand Canyon. It was our 25th anniversary, which turned us on to the whole river running thing. We've done Disney World, we've done the cruises, we've done everything else, East Coast Shore, everything, and this is just where we wanted to be. This will become an annual trip, I have a feeling. I'm trying to convince Karen to do Hawaii, but I have a feeling she's going to convince me to come back. So I'd like to get my own kids out here. Maybe one day we can get our grandchildren out here. Last summer we were apprehensive about doing it, my wife more so than I. Now it's in her blood, it's in my blood. We'll definitely be back. You've just got to get out here and try it. First night might be tough sleeping, getting used to sleeping under the stars, but the hard part now is going to be not sleeping under the stars. Getting back into bed, that's going to be the hard part. To all my friends back east, you haven't experienced life till you've experienced canyon life. It's been a great 5 days. Sorry it has to end. It was a great trip.